Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate dark mode on Windows 11. Okay, here I have opened my laptop and my laptop is using Windows 11. And if you want to activate dark mode on Windows 11, the first thing you're going to do is clicking on this Windows icon. And then you're going to open the settings application. Then you're going to click on personalization right here. Okay, then click on the colors. Then if you want to activate your dark mode, you can click on choose your mode right here. Then as you can see that I'm using light mode and we're gonna turn into a dark mode. So click on dark. Can just wait for a moment. Okay, I know the dark mode has been activated on this laptop. And that's how we can activate dark mode on laptop Windows 11. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.